Oh my goodness. Hello guys, I just want to make a video that I don't think anybody's made before. Instead of just showing deleted scenes, I'm going to show extended scenes. Because they seem to do more of deleted scenes instead of extended scenes. So, we're going to start off with Season 1. Thomas turns in the snow. An extended scene shows Thomas going fully out of the tunnel, and another one. Another extended scene shows Thomas stop rolling his eyes. I think I said deleted scene. I meant to say extended scene. And an extended scene from Down the Mine shows Thomas approaching it. I don't think the second season has any deleted scenes. Extended scenes. So I guess we can just move on to the third season. Oh, wait a minute. The 8 is actually going to be in the way, so that's not going to be good. Let me just slow it down. There's the extended scene. Another extended scene is Duck going right under the camera. And it seems like the crash is also extended as well. Also, I forgot this. I think this counts as an extended scene. There's smoke all over Thomas's driver. The other deleted scene from Close Shave is just Thomas's wheels. That's it. That's all. That's all! I think this TV and the DVD is gonna explode. It's going to explode most likely. Now let's move on to the third season. Oh crap, wait a minute. This is an extended scene from Percy's predicament. So I think the episodes may not be in order, but I don't really care. Is there any more season 1 extended scenes? No. The extended scene that was cut out of Trust Thomas shows Thomas approaching the camera. Half of this made into actions happen. I want to show the full footage, so I'm trying to align the minutes right. Let me try that again. I have no idea what this looks like. Let me try it again just in case. I'm trying. Hope that looks smooth. No, wait a minute. I forgot an extended scene from the beginning of the season. No, I'll do that later. Oh, well, hold on. An extended scene from Thomas to Thomas flying by the camera. This is pretty slow motion. The gallery to Thomas Gets Bumped said this was an extended scene, but it's not. I mean, the things here when Thomas went in the station in the actual episode are different here. So this is not an extended scene. Oh! The first episode of season 3 had an extended scene. It's a scar for Percy. It's an extended scene of him approaching the trolley. Another extended scene shows him actually lifting up. Another extended scene is the box. Another extended scene shows the box falling down. And I'm not sure if this counts as an extended scene, but it shows the jam going on Percy's face. I'm still not sure if this also counts, but it's an extended scene of Percy stopped rolling his eyes. He's just like Thomas Jones in the snow. And this is kind of like an alternative version of the jam going on his face. Another extended scene shows Percy crashing into a trolley at a different angle. This is the scene. The box actually lifts up before Percy even hits it. Another extended scene from Trust Thomas, it shows actually Thomas actually hitting the back part of the jetty. Or at least this part. He hits it. What's going on up there? Oh my goodness gracious. Thomas, what happened to you, man? Ah! Another extended scene from the Trove of Mud shows James stop rolling his eyes after the mud goes all over him. I guess that's also another extended scene of Gordon moving his eyes there while wishing on James. Wait a minute, we skipped 2 more seasons! Or probably actually 100. I'm not sure this counts as an extended scene, but this is an extended, well, deleted scene of James actually shunning the trucks, except he just literally stops. He gives up on life. Another extended scene from the Trouble in Mud is James sliding down the hill. Another extended scene is James when he says we can do it, but even though Gordon's not helping him, he's doing it all by his own. And now here's Edward and Rhaenys. Also, I think this is another extended scene of James moving his eyes while climbing up the hill. Look into his eyes, and he'll own you. Wheels. And James is doing the moonwalk. He looks there and there. Also, again, I don't really think this counts as an extended scene, but another box actually falls onto Percy here. Also, there's no other extended scene there of that box falling down. Jam dripping like blood. Oh no! Double oh no! I forgot this extended scene from season 1. It's this, the bug coming up. Another extended scene from Trust Thomas is Thomas going down and crashing right into the jetty. Spaghetti. Another extended scene is this wooden thing coming down. This is not in the gallery, and nobody points this out. But you know the Andrew Trust Thomas episode, there's no splash when he makes it to the other side? Well, guess what? There's a splash here. Why does nobody point that out? Extended scene of Thomas falling down. Extended scene of the toad stop moving, and extended scene of Thomas looking up. And he actually looks back down again, but that's when the scene just goes to gone fishing. I don't think season 4 has any extended scenes, but if it does, I'm gonna probably add them at the end of this. Okay, I guess now season 5 extended scenes. This will probably have to be in 2 parts.